You can see on this old plastic flapper, the rubber seal is deteriorating. It's all falling apart.
Do you mind if I watch what you do?
Not at all.
Oh, okay.
That would be it. That should work fine with the flapper.
So you're saying it's really the flapper that's the main concern?
The flapper is what brought this all to light.
Uh-huh.
If the flapper lifted easily, the little bit of movement that would occur with this
It wouldn't have to work
would be
so
enough to get it to work. But this handle, the way it's set up, isn't correct. Changing the toilet flush lever and flapper. The flush lever is the wrong one for this toilet, so it needs to be replaced. It's just not actuating properly, not lifting the flapper enough, and it also happens to be cracked, as you can see right there. This is actually a Toto flush lever, and in general, I'm not a big fan of these flush levers. I'm not a big fan of toilets either. Some toilet stuff is universal, like these fill valves and a lot of flappers and all. Toto has stuff that's Toto only, and the repair parts are very expensive, and they fail on kind of a regular basis, so that's why I'm not a big fan of Toto toilets. Kohler is another one that has a lot of proprietary parts, but Kohler makes a pretty decent toilet.
And what's the brand of this toilet?
This is a Kohler.
Oh, it's Kohler. Okay.
Yeah.
What can cause that to go bad?
Just basically age and water condition. This house we're in today is on city water, so there's usually high chlorine and content in the water, just so they do that to keep the water potable and keep it, safe for everybody. But the result is it affects the rubber on the flappers. So we put in these Pro Series heavy-duty flappers, and they're chemical resistant, or they're more chemical resistant than the standard flappers. You can see on this old plastic flapper, the rubber seal is deteriorating. It's all falling apart, and what's happening is it's actually sticking on the flush valve where it's supposed to seal down below. And what happens is the flapper then sticks to that. So when you go to flush it, you have to exert a lot more pressure on it to unseat it. And over time, you wind up having a leak and the toilet will run because of that. If you're on a well, I've seen houses where the well runs dry because the toilet runs. If you don't have a real strong well, or if you're in drought conditions, you can easily run a well dry with a running toilet.